Dear residents, a very warm greetings to all of you. I'll just try to give a brief update about the different maintenance improvement what we are trying to do as part of the AO initiative. So, lot of talk has been already going on about the TPM, so I'll not go into the details of the TPM. A separate video will shortly be shared with you for the details about the TPM. But once we have started this TPM initiative, we have basically found considerable impact and in terms of the cost, time and delivery as far as the overall maintenance is concerned. Under the umbrella of TPM, we have also introduced a new concept which is cost reduction center, also known as CRC. So in the CRC, we are repairing the basically the items which are not working in-house. And just to give an example, we have already repaired 200 lights as part of the CRC initiative, where 18 are the street lights and 140 are the surface lights, and the remaining are the other type of lights which I have already repaired in-house. We have also started repairing the pumps and the electrical equipments in-house. You can basically think of the financial impact we are basically started achieving using this CRC concept. And the other point under the maintenance part is the daily planning meeting, or known as DPM. So this is a basically very structured meeting which we have started. So this meeting is basically chaired by the estate manager Shri R.K. Sharma ji, whereas all the maintenance staff supervisors are invited to basically take part in that meeting. So this meeting daily starts at 9:30 a.m. and ends at 10 a.m. And I mean, they just discuss the different maintenance activities just over a cup of tea. So they basically discusses the backlog from the maintenance complaints and the daily targets what they need to achieve, and they also discuss the inventory part as well. So this is the DPM what we have started doing. The other thing is the complaint management system. So we are now basically monitoring all our complaints through the computerized system. So right now this is fully digitalized. Earlier we used to maintain all that record in the papers, but now that record has been fully digitalized. And we have also basically given some targets to our maintenance staff, where we have categorized all the maintenance complaints in 3 categories. So for example, we have these A categories where no material is required for the maintenance of a specific complaint. So we have given a target of a single day to close that complaint. And the B is the category where some spare parts which are not available in-house, these are required either from the AO side or from the individual resident side. For that part, we have given a target of 3 days, where the service has to be closed within 3 days. This basically comes with a rider where which also depends on the availability of the spare parts in the market and all. So complaint categories we have categorized it as a C, and this third type of category we basically have some major financial implication. I mean that the complaint requires the complaint has some major financial implication, so it requires a board approval or maybe a GBM approval. So it would going to take some time. So this is all about our complaint management system, which we have fully digitalized already. And the 6th point what I would like to cover is the suggestion scheme. So we have already launched a suggestion scheme for all the resident and stakeholders, and a suggestion box is basically kept at the AO office, and all residents are welcome to basically give their valuable feedback using this medium. And all the implementable suggestion basically they would be awarded by some token, right? So we are encouraging residents to provide their feedback using this medium. The 7th and the last point what I would like to cover in today's video is the paperless and the digitalized office. So we are also planning to basically make our AO office, the maintenance office as well as the board office completely paperless. So we are all basically we have already started digitalizing our existing records, and starting from 1st of November 2020 it would be all paperless and fully digitalized. So that's a brief update on the maintenance front. Thank you.